Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to sign out of Discord. So first of all, launch open Discord application. You can see over here Discord application has been opened. Right now I'm signed into my account. If you're also signed into your account and if you want to sign out of your account, what you have to do is tap on the U icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to your profile interface. Tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to access the settings from here. You'll be able to find several settings options. Simply scroll down in this interface. Now at last you'll be able to find the option for logout. Simply tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Are you sure you want to log out? Tap on the option logout. Now you can see over here you'll be signed out of your account. So that is how you sign out of Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.